How to fix saved contacts name not showing up for calls and messages on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, hit towards the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and try to save a contact and check whether your problem will be solved or not. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, head back to the main page of Settings. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID, open it. Open the option iCloud. Click on Show All. You'll see the option of contacts over here. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. Likewise, another thing you can do is go back to the main page of Settings, scroll down, open the option General, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now from here you have to find the app contacts. Click on Upload app, click on Upload app. Once you upload the app, click on Reinstall app. Now you can check whether your problem will be solved or not. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix saved contacts name not showing up for calls and messages on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.